That AI chatbot you just bought for your business, it's a pretty good chance it's not actually AI. And here's the thing. Once you understand the difference between real AI and fake AI, you're going to make way smarter business decisions. You're going to stop wasting money on tools that don't actually deliver. And you'll finally be able to use AI the way it's meant to be used, to save you time, to serve customers better, to empower your employees, and to grow your business. Let me show you the difference between real AI and fake AI. Here's what's happening right now. And I don't have to tell you this, you know this. AI is everywhere. Every software company is adding AI powered to their product. And honestly, it's exciting. We're living through a massive shift in how businesses operate. We're living through revolutionary times. That's awesome. The challenge is that when everything claims to be AI, it gets hard to know what's actually going to help your business and what's just marketing. The good news is, once you know what to look for, it becomes really easy to separate the real stuff from the noise, the stuff from the fluff, as I like to say. Here's a quick bit about me, just so you know where I'm coming from. I'm Sam Weinstein. I spent the last 10 years helping small and mid-sized businesses implement complex technology that transforms their business. Things from Salesforce to CRMs to cloud systems. The stuff that's supposed to transform your business, but only works when someone sticks around to make sure it's actually adopted. And that's what I love most about the work. Not just building systems, but making sure they actually help people do their jobs better, that you're actually receiving the value that you signed up for. Now, I run an agency called White City AI, where we help businesses implement AI that actually works, not the flashy demo stuff, the stuff that saves you real time and keeps working month after month. And my goal for this channel, where I post roughly once a week, is simple. I want to help business owners like you cut through the noise and make confident decisions about AI. Here's what we're going to cover today. I'm going to show you how to spot fake AI so you can avoid wasting money on tools that won't deliver. Then I'll show you what real AI actually looks like when it's working inside of a business. And finally, I'll give you 3 questions you can ask any vendor to know if what they're selling is the real deal or if it's just fake. By the end of this video, you'll have total clarity on what to look for and what to avoid. By the way, I said fake. I don't mean fake, I mean something else, automation, existing stuff. Let's get into it. Point 1, what fake AI actually looks like, and how do you recognize it? Here's a simple version. Ready? Fake AI is when a product says AI powered, but it doesn't actually think. It just follows a script. Let me give you a quick example. A few weeks ago, I needed to contact customer support for some rideshare app, whatever. I booked a taxi. They charged me $80 instead of $10. Okay. Right there on the support page was a button that said chat with our AI agent. I thought, great. This should be quick and easy. I love AI agents. I do it for a living, right? So I tapped the button. And what happens? I can't type anything. There's no text field. Instead, I'm clicking through a list of pre-written options. Select your issue. Click. What happened? Click. When did this occur? Click. It's a decision tree. The same kind of chatbot companies have been using for over a decade. Now, is that useful? Sometimes, sure. Is it better than nothing? Sure. Flowcharts can help route people to the right place, but it's not AI, that's for sure. It's not thinking, it's just following a script. And that's the key distinction I want you to understand, okay? If there's one takeaway, it's this. If it can't think, it's not AI. Real AI can interpret what you're saying, even if you phrase it in a weird way. It can handle questions it's never seen before. It can make decisions based on context, even if you've never actually told it what to do. Fake AI just follows a predetermined path and hopes you click the right button. Once you know this, you're going to start noticing it everywhere. And more importantly, you're going to know not to pay premium prices for something that's really just basic automation. So now you know what fake AI looks like. Let's talk about the exciting part, what real AI can actually do for you, for your employees, for your business. So here's what real AI actually looks like, especially for small, mid-sized businesses. It's a game changer. Let me walk you through a real example. A few months ago, I was working with a insurance brokerage, small team, about 15, 20 people, great business, growing fast, but they had a bottleneck. Every time a potential client called in, someone had to manually research the property, pull up Zillow, that's the site with all the information, check public records, gather all the details needed so they could quote a policy successfully. This took roughly 20 to 30 minutes per lead, and they were getting dozens of leads per day. So what do? We built an AI-powered automation. Now, the moment someone fills out a form with their name and address, the system goes to work. It pulls data from Zillow. It gathers public records. And before the phone call is even published, The agent has a fully formatted summary. I said agent, but it's a human agent. Has a fully formatted summary sitting in their inbox, ready to go. No more, let me research this and I'll call you back. Just instant, intelligent action. That is real AI. It's not following a script, it's pulling information from multiple sources, understanding what's relevant, and delivering something genuinely useful. Here is the key difference. Fake AI is deterministic. It gives you the same answer every time, no matter what. Input A always equals output B. Deterministic. Real AI is probabilistic, which means it can handle ambiguity, it can interpret messy inputs, and it can respond based on context. It's actually thinking. Now, here's something important that I think every business owner needs to know. Real AI is more like a digital employee rather than a product. Just like any new hire, AI needs to be trained, needs to be monitored, needs to be updated when your business changes. Sounds crazy to say it. AI needs a manager. When products change, when pricing changes, when policy changes, AI's got to be updated. The businesses that get the most value from AI are the ones that treat it like a team member. They check in on it. They improve it over time. They make sure that it's representing their company in the best way possible and the most accurate way possible. And that's great news because it means AI isn't just a one-time purchase. It's an investment that keeps getting better the more that you put into it. So now you know the difference between fake AI and real AI. How do you evaluate vendors and tools? How do you know if what they're selling is actually legitimate or if it's just AI powered fluff? Before you invest in any AI tool, ask these three questions. They're going to help you quickly figure out if you're looking at the real deal or something that can't or won't actually deliver. Question number one, can it handle inputs it's never seen before? This is a big one. Ask the vendor, what happens if a customer asks something unexpected? What if they phrase a question in a way that you didn't quite anticipate, right? Not everyone knows how to speak in a clear way. What happens? Real AI can interpret novel questions and give it a reasonable response. It can think on its feet. If the system can only handle pre-scripted scenarios, that's a sign it's more of a flowchart than true AI. Question number two, how does it learn and improve over time? Great AI gets smarter the more you use it. There should be a feedback loop, a way to train it, to update it, and make it better as your business evolves. Ask the vendor, what's the process for improvement? How do we make this better over time? If they have a clear answer, that's great. If they're vague or say it just works, you don't need to improve it, it's just one product, you got to dig deeper. Real AI has got to be constantly improved over time. Deterministic products don't need to be improved at all. Question three, can I actually see what it's doing? Remember, transparency matters. You should be able to see the conversations your AI is having, where it's succeeding, and where it might need improvement. The best AI partners give you visibility, dashboards, analytics, insights. They want you to see the value because they're confident in what they've built. If I'm building you a product, I want you to see the value because I'm confident that what we built is actually great for you. If it's a black box with no visibility, that's worth questioning. So these are the three simple questions. Can it handle unexpected inputs? How does it improve over time? And can I see what it's doing? Ask these three questions, you'll be able to make confident, informed decisions about any AI tool or any AI vendor. So now you've got clarity. You know the difference between real AI and fake AI. You know what real AI looks like inside a business. And you've got three questions that will help you make smarter decisions. That is a great foundation. But here is the next step. Knowing what to buy is only part of the equation. The other part is actually implementing it in the right way. I've seen businesses invest in great AI tools. There are some great tools out there. I've seen them invest in great AI tools and still not get the results because they skipped the planning phase, or they launched without monitoring, or they never took the time to improve it in the first place. Implementation is where the magic happens. It's where AI goes from an interesting idea to this is transforming how we work. So if you want to learn how to implement AI the right way, the four-phase framework I use with every client, plan, build, monitor, improve, I break it down step by step in this video right here. Click it, watch it. It will save you a ton of time and help you get real results. And hey, if this video helped you, if it gave you some clarity or helped you feel more confident about AI, hit that subscribe button. I'm putting out videos like this every week. No hype, no fluff, just practical, honest guidance on how to use AI to grow your business. I'd love to have you along for the journey. And if you're a business owner who wants to explore what AI could maybe make a difference in your specific situation, I offer three 30-minute AI consultations. No pressure, no sales pitch, just a real conversation about what's possible and what makes sense for you. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Go make smart decisions. I will see you in the next video. Take it easy.